Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a video in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do now is just to open your project or simply just open your Filmora software. And after that, you will be needing to starting your editing by creating first your project. So basically, you can go to the file menu, create a new project, you choose your aspect ratio, etc. Now you will be adding the footage, you will be editing on the video, adding text or whatever you want. And now you will want to save your projects as a whole video after that you have finished the projects. So I'm just doing whatever as a demonstration. And basically, to save your videos, all you will be needing to do is to simply export and render your video. That means you will need just to go to the export menu. So from here you will find the export button. You click on it and basically you will be able to export your video. So here you will find the output settings. Make sure that the format is MP4 or any other video format that you would like. And basically here you will choose the quality. You can choose from the settings, but basically just leave it as it is. Now you will be needing just to click on export and your video. This is the estimated size for your video and this is its own duration. You click on export and basically you will have your video that will be saved to this location. You can simply change it by clicking here and select any other folder. And you click export, you will have your video that will be start exporting and now you can open it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.